Hi friends, now we are going to study the next exception which we will get frequently. That is nothing but illegal argument exception. So, 1 minute time. That is nothing but illegal argument exception. Illegal argument exception. Okay. What is this exception? You will understand first. Okay. This exception explicitly either raised by programmer or developer to indicate that a method has been invoked with illegal argument. Okay, this exception occurs when a method is passed an illegal or inappropriate argument. It is typically thrown to indicate that a method has been passed an argument that is does not expect or cannot process. Then we will get illegal argument exception. It is also an child class of runtime exception and hence it is unchecked exception. Then what is the first point? The first point is nothing but this exception, this exception occurs when exception occurs when a method is passed an illegal or inappropriate argument. Argument. It is it it is typically thrown to indicate that a method has been passed an argument that it does not expect or cannot process. Basically, this is like, you know, in older time, or in old, 10 year or 15 years before, we are use a telephone booth to call someone. Inside that, when we will put 1 rupees coin, then only the call will connect with the other person. If you're trying to put some other coins, then that is not connecting, or that is not accepting by that telephone booth. That is type only. This is illegal argument exception. Means this exception occurs when a method is passed an illegal or inappropriate argument. It is typically thrown to indicate that a method has been passed an argument that it does not expect or cannot process. This exception is the second point is this exception is explicitly raised either by programmer or developer to indicate that a method has been invoked. A method has been invoked means called with illegal argument. Explicitly, I may some did explicitly. Okay. Either by programmer or developer to indicate that a method has been invoked with illegal argument. This is also an child class of runtime exception. What is the third point? See, this is also child loss of runtime exception, and hence it is unchecked exception. So now we are going to see this illegal argument exception, how that will be generated in Eclipse. Okay. So for this, we will take one example. What example we will take? We will take thread, multi-thread example. Okay. I'm going to create one thread T is equal to new thread. Okay. Here I am going to setting priority for this. Setting priority. Dot, dot set priority as 0. Okay. Then I am going to print result. This T. Okay. And try to run this one. See. Java.lang.illegal argument exception. So if you want to set the priority for thread now, that is in between 1 to 10. Okay. If I will give here as a 1, then try to run, then I will get this output. Means thread is 0 and 1 main. Okay. This is the priority. If I will give -3, then we will also check what we will get in illegal argument exception, because this method is getting illegal argument, appropriate argument. That's why we are getting illegal argument exception. So for this, we need to provide 1 to 10. Okay. The thread priority should be 1 to 10. Expect this you are going to provide in this method argument, then we will get exception. Okay. So here we will provide what? We will provide 8. Then also it will work fine. See. Okay, the priority is 8. So if the end user try to provide rather than this 1 to 10, anything, expect this. So we need to handle this exception also. Okay. So what we will do, we will keep this inside a try block. Okay. And keep inside a try block and followed by catch block. Inside this, what I will do, I will give that illegal argument exception. E. Okay. Inside this, I will do yes out. What is the exception I will do? Hey man, hey man, hey man, need to study multi-threading once again. Need to brush up through or study multi-threading once again. The priorities are these are not within the limit. Okay, I have handled that one. Okay, if I provide in between 1 to 10, then that will print this one. If I provide anything except this one, then it will print this one. Okay, now I'll try it. See, I am getting my output. So now what I will do, I will do here 11 and share. Then what happens? You will see, hey man, need to study multi-threading once again, and the priorities are not within the limit. After that, I need to delete this one. Okay. Because this is outside the try block and catch block. So that's why this one is also printing. So I will remove this one. So see. Now we will get proper output like that. Hey man, need to study multi-threading once again. The priorities are not within the limit. Here I will use this one. Then it will what happens? If you want, print that one on. I will try here on what will get. We'll see. See, we will get that one. If I provide here 10, we will try. What is the issue? Still, I am getting because I am printing here only. Okay. This is right way. And this now you will try. You will see what happens. Hey man, need to study multi-threading once again. The priorities are not within the limit. Okay. Here we got exception. Which exception? Illegal argument exception. So from here only directly the flow comes to catch block. Illegal argument exception. Then we got on console like, hey man, need to study multi-threading. Once again, the priorities are not within the limits. Like how we have handled the illegal argument exception. Okay, this is a illegal argument exception. After this, the fifth one is nothing but number format exception. Number format exception. Exception. Number format exception. This exception also we will see in the next video.